Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to the channel. So I did something different with my hair. I did condition my hair overnight and I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. I'm going to hair straight now to the bathroom to wash the hair. The shampoo is slightly peach in color. The consistency is a little runny but not too runny. It's a little sticky and when mixed with water it lathers alright. Guys, so I have conditioner on my hair. For your conditioners to work effectively well, you have to leave them on your hair for a little longer than 2 minutes. I like to use heat. So let's go and wash this off and be right back. Alright guys, so I just came out of the shower. The next thing I will be doing is to use this product. This is an anti-dandruff treatment for my scalp. I like that it treats dandruff and flakiness and it stops all that itchiness I feel. I like to give that a very good massage into my scalp, and for my hair I would use this leave-in conditioner also from Mega Growth. Leave-in conditioners are supposed to stay on your hair, they are not to be washed out. I like that it strengthens my hair, they provide extra moisture, they protect my hair from damage, and they help to detangle my strands. Just look at how the comb is going through my hair. Now I will do my simple blowout on cool air. Please be gentle, do not yank your hair apart or cause any unnecessary breakage. Go in with different types of comb of choice. Drying your hair this way is just the best, so try as much as you can to stretch out your new growth and your relaxed hair together. Stretch it downwards and use the hair dryer in the same direction that your hair go. Now I need you to know that the bigger the comb, the easier it is to detangle your hair, and the smaller the comb, the more difficult it is, so figure out the one that you like. Right now I decided to dust my ends, hoping that this was the best thing that my hair needed at the moment. After a good wash day, your hair should look and feel light, it should be bouncy, and you should have some sort of shine to it, like your natural shine. And just look at that. It shouldn't look weighed down or heavy. If it does, then you probably have done something wrong or maybe used some of the products, like a lot of it, and yeah, you might need to go back into the shower and correct some things, but other than that your hair should look and feel very light. To oil my scalp, I'll be using this anti-dandruff spray from Mega Growth. It is infused with coconut oil, some menthol, and some other good stuff. I'll spray this directly to my scalp and give it a good massage. Looking good, right? Now go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you haven't already. Let me know your thoughts down below in the comment section. Subscribe and join this family. Hit the bell so you always get notification every single time we have a new video up, okay? I decided to style my hair in a side part because I've been doing center part for months and almost all the hair in the center part of my hair are broken off, if you get what I mean. And for those of you always saying my hair is jet black, please look closely. I bet you can see some browns going on. In fact, I've always known that my hair is not fully black because you guys are always watching me on camera. You know, the lights and everything can change up some things, but trust me, I don't dye my hair anyway, but my hair is not fully black. Right after this, I went outside to use natural light to actually see what my hair looks like, and this is where I made up my mind about getting a blonde cut. I wasn't happy to see my ends like this at all. They were looking raggedy and, you know, it's just terrible. So I had help. I had someone give me a blonde cut, and trust me, that person was not a hairstylist. Of course, the person listened to me anyway. So I came home and I finished the job. Yeah, I wasn't going to show you guys this part of the video because it's not very detailed, but I just wanted to show you guys, the process and everything. And if you like to get your hair cut, please go and get a professional. I don't know anybody to recommend to you, but please get a professional and ensure to do your research very well. If they have a website, definitely go on there, read reviews about other clients, and reach out to friends and family that have used the salon you're about to go to, that have tried their services. Get their honest review. Don't go and be listening to how would I say it now, influencers about a salon. It might not end well for you, because and please don't think that every aesthetic salon you see, that they know what they're doing, they know their onions. A lot of them don't know anything, trust me. Okay, this is what the hair looks before and after. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Let me know how I did in the comment section. Like and subscribe for more, and happy holidays, and be well.